Bienvenue à French for Beginners. Hello, welcome to my channel French for Beginners. Comment vas-tu? J'espère que tu vas bien. So aujourd'hui, on va apprendre le verbe avoir. Today we are going to learn avoir verb, which means to have. Wherever we use has or have in English, then we will put this word. So have a look. Alors commencer. Let's start. Singulier, pluriel. Guys, these are subject pronoun as I told you in my earlier video. These are subject pronoun. Je, tu, il, elle means I, you, he, she. Nous, vous, il, elle. We, you, they masculine, they feminine. Now, j'ai, I have. We'll pronounce it j'ai. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you all have means for plural and for formal. If we are talking about elder or we will use formal one. Ils ont, they have masculine. When we are talking about male or masculine thing, we'll say ils ont. When we are talking about feminine thing, elles ont, they have feminine. So have a look to the example. Guys, in English, we say, here is the example, I am 10 years old. According to English, here être verb should be there. But no, in French, whenever we talking about our age, I am 10 years old, we will use have verb. J'ai 10 ans. If we will translate into English, it will be I have 10 years old. But that means I am 10 years old. Whenever we are talking about age, we will always put avoir verb, not être verb. Il a un stylo. She has a pen. Elle a un stylo. Next, ils ont une voiture. They have a car. So whenever we are talking about has or have, this verb will really help you. So all over we have done two verbs, être verb and avoir verb. With the help of these verbs, you will be able to make sentences. So guys, we were doing avoir verb in which I have written an example. Elle a un stylo. Ils ont une voiture. So you should know the meaning of un and une. That means a. So here is the another example or another topic of un and une. That means article indefinite. Article indefinite means indefinite article, which means un, une and des. Un and une we use for a and n, and des we use for some. In short, the un and une and plural of une will be des. Here are some examples. First of all, I'll ask from you. You think in your mind, and then you try to answer, and then I'll write. Here is example home. That means eraser. Guys, the word which is ending with E, that are feminine words, and with feminine word, we write une. une feminine. And un with masculine, des for plural. So guys, here is the example home. I have said the word which is ending with E 90%. Somehow 10% there are exception which I have written here. Exception means that is ending with E but still it is masculine. So 1, 2, 3. Have you think answer? So yes, you're right. Here will be une. une. Home. Next example is stylo. Stylo. Stylo means pen. This word is ending without E. The word which end without E, that is masculine. So, you're correct. The answer is un. Here, again the word is ending without E. That means un. So here is the example, another example, livre. Here I have written exception. Exception, that means ending with E but still masculine. So here we'll write un. Exception 10%, 90%, E ending, that means feminine. Crayons, now here S. The word which is ending with S, that means plural. Table, crayons means pencils, livre means book, table means table. The table is ending with E, so we will write UNE. So here is the another example. Change into plural. If the question is change into plural, I have taken an example from avoir verb. I have written il a un stylo in avoir verb. We have to change into in plural. So il will be changed in il plural. A will be changed into plural ont. In means il a will change into ils ont according to avoir verb. Un will change into des as I've said, and stilo will be changed in stilo. So example answer will be ils ont des stylos. Another example, tu as une gomme. Do you have an eraser? Do you have an eraser? So answer will be vous avez. According to avoir verb, tu as singular, and the answer of tu as and the plural verb of plural form of tu as will be vous avez. Des will be answer of une, means plural of une will be des, and gommes, plural of gomme. So here is the answer, vous avez des gommes. So here I have cleared two topics, that is avoir verb and les articles. We have to write les articles indefinite, the indefinite articles. I hope these both topics are clear to you, which will help you to make sentences in French. So if you like my video, then don't forget to press the like button. Subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night.